Can I use a passphrase instead of an alphanumeric password?
In this video, we will explore the idea of using a passphrase instead of a traditional alphanumeric password. We will discuss the benefits and drawbacks of each option and help you decide which is right for you.
What is a passphrase?
A passphrase is a sequence of words or phrases that can be used in place of a traditional password. It typically consists of multiple words separated by spaces or special characters, which can make it easier to remember and more secure. Example: the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
How does a passphrase compare to an alphanumeric password?
A passphrase can be more secure than an alphanumeric password, as it often has greater length and entropy. This means it is more difficult for an attacker to crack using brute force methods. Passphrases can also be easier to remember than complex alphanumeric passwords, especially if they form a memorable sentence or phrase. However, some systems and websites may not support the use of passphrases, requiring alphanumeric passwords instead.
How to create a strong passphrase?
To create a strong passphrase, consider the following tips. Use at least 4 words in your passphrase. Include a mix of common and uncommon words. Use capitalization and special characters to increase complexity. Avoid using easily guessable information, e.g., names, birthdays, etc. Example: H0RSE $green_pencil tango.
Are there any drawbacks to using a passphrase?
While passphrases can offer greater security, there are some potential drawbacks to consider. Compatibility issues. Some systems may not support passphrases, especially older systems or those with character limitations. Typing difficulty. Longer passphrases can be more challenging to type, especially on mobile devices or for users with physical impairments. Insecure storage. Storing passphrases insecurely, e.g., writing them down or using a weak password manager, can negate their security benefits. In conclusion, using a passphrase can provide greater security and memorability compared to an alphanumeric password. However, it is essential to consider compatibility and storage issues when deciding whether a passphrase is the best option for your needs. As long as you create a strong passphrase and store it securely, it can be an effective way to protect your accounts and data.